thula ka tlhoko kwa morago a re bone jalo Tyson kwa moruna o lebela dingwaga tsa gage o raga story bona ka motho a mo iketlileng fela fa ntle ka lebokoso a goga lerumo drop still one
then beats Mashiane inside and out. Finally, is there going to be a shot? There is. Oh my word! Keeper looks at it. Talented Porter's caught it, and that's number 6. Wow, that's a good goal, you know.
Listen, that is quality, top quality, and that shot going.
Ball's been taken quickly for Orlando Pirates. Still a chance. Put him on the goal. McCann scores.
To the fields.
Well, both games between these two last season ended 1-0. Both on posts. There's McCann. Finds the back of the net with a beauty. Well, after celebrating his 20th birthday, we can no longer refer to him as the teenage sensation, but perhaps he's just graduated to fully fledged superstar. Looking for a handball there. The crowd are screaming at the referee. Nothing given. Here's Mbokazi. Let's see if he's going to fire one away. Oh, goal! Unbelievable, Mbokazi. Mbokazi with a left foot out of nowhere. It dipped viciously, and the goalkeeper got caught, and the coach is going to hurt his hand again.